Hey, it's my friends, Tasche here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money with InboxDollars just by walking around or driving around town. Now, in order to do this, you're going to have to download the mobile app for InboxDollars, and you can do that by going to the Play Store or to the iOS App Store. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged in, of course, and then you want to make sure that your push notifications are turned on for InboxDollars, for the InboxDollars app. And then what's going to happen is, now I don't have any notifications right now, but what's going to happen is, right at the top, you're going to get a push notification. It's going to be like it'll look like a little bag of money. And it'll say, get 5 cents for checking in at, say, Walmart. Or it'll say, get 5 cents for checking in at Target or whatever. And what you do is, you don't have to actually be, that's the cool thing is, you don't actually have to be in the store to actually do the check-in, okay? As long as you have your uh, your phone location turned on and it can pick it up, you can actually pretty much collect these things as you're going around town. And then once you stop, you can actually go through and just accept it. So what you do is, say you drive by Walmart, the notification will come up on. It'll say, get 5 cents for checking in at Walmart. And what you'll do is you'll see the notification up at the top of your phone. You swipe down, or whatever, you tap the notification, it'll open up an ad, okay, and then an ad from Walmart, and then all you do is you exit out of the ad, and then you go to your app, and it'll total up the extra 5 cents instantly on your account. Now, 5 cents doesn't sound like a lot, but it does add up, because if you're driving around town, or if you're walking around a lot, you can actually make a nice decent, you can make a few bucks a day or a buck a day, or whatever, just walking around, driving around town. But yeah, that's pretty simple, guys. All you do is you don't obviously don't do it while you're driving, obviously, but you just have your phone turned on, get in the car, drive around, and then once you stop, check your phone, and it'll pick up things from Walmart or Target or a few other stores as well, and you just go through and tap the notification, click to do the check-in, and even if, say, you passed up at Walmart and it did a check-in for you, the notification popped up. It doesn't matter when you do the check-in, as long as you do that as long as you don't remove the notification, as long as you make sure you actually tap the notification to accept the check-in, it'll register for you. But just don't go through and clear out your notifications, because then you'll never get it back. Okay, so you drive past a Walmart, past a Target, or any number of stores that are doing this with InboxDollars, and you just give the notification, you tap the check-in, and then it's going to add it'll add 5 cents to your account. And like I said, if you're driving around a lot during the day, or you're walking around a lot, you can pick up quite a few of these, and not even have to be in the store to do the check-in. Okay, as long as you're close enough to the store for the phone to pick up the store's location. Okay, and for InboxDollars to pick up your location and the store's location, it will send a notification to you, and you just click the check-in, and you get that 5 cents. And again, like I said, 5 cents is not a lot by itself, but it does add up, especially if you're doing a lot of driving around, especially if you're doing this every day. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, guys. If you are not a member of InboxDollars yet, I'm going to leave a link down below. You can sign up. Also, if you'd like to see more videos on how to make money online, free and pay ways to make money online, internet marketing videos, internet marketing training, network marketing training, videos on how to earn with cryptocurrency, things like that. If you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you click the like button if you like this video, if you find it helpful. Make sure you leave a comment below, and also, in order to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, make sure you click that bell icon to get push notifications every time I put up a new video on YouTube. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon.